Hey friend, it's Masterclass Monday, and today we're overcoming our mindset on a bad makeup day. I started to do this spring makeup look and it was just not turning out the way I wanted it to. It's happened to everyone. You're halfway through your meticulously planned makeup look and it's just not working. Maybe the eyeliner is uneven, the eyeshadow is muddy, or the foundation looks cakey. The moment of frustration can easily derail your entire routine, leading to a wash it all off meltdown. But instead of giving in to that negative spiral, try shifting your mindset. Acknowledge the frustration, but remind yourself that makeup is a process and not a perfect science. Every application is a learning opportunity, even the ones that don't turn out as expected. Instead of focusing on the perceived failures, try to identify what went wrong. Did you use a new product that didn't blend well? Did you rush a step that required more precision? By analyzing the situation objectively, you can gain valuable insights that will help you improve your technique in the future. Remember that even professional makeup artists encounter challenges. The difference lies in their ability to adapt and find solutions. Perhaps a touch of concealer can salvage the uneven eyeliner, or a blending brush can soften the harsh eyeshadows. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different approaches until you find something that works. Ultimately, the most important thing is to finish what you started. Even if the final look isn't perfect, you'll have gained valuable experience and built your confidence. Embracing imperfection is a crucial part of the learning process. It's okay to have bad makeup days. They're a reminder that makeup is a form of self-expression, not a rigid set of rules. So take a deep breath, keep practicing, and remember that every stroke of the brush brings you one step closer to mastering your craft.